Okay, so there we have it. A massive log turned into a still quite large bowl. Natural edge, it's got a flat bottom, kept it nice and simple. You can see there the grain is really nice inside. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is, but there you go. And I'm kind of guessing by now that I'm not going to fool anybody on its size. It's about 2.5 inches across, and it's probably about an inch in depth. But I tried to do a bit of clever camera work to make it look larger than it was, but I'm sure my fat fingers in the picture gave it away a long time ago. But anyway, even though it's of very small stature, it's actually quite a nice little bowl, and a nice quick little fun thing to do. And yeah, I must admit I didn't expect it to look quite as nice as that, with it being so small, but the figure in the wood's quite interesting. I'll put a picture on the turntable at the end, just to show some better close-ups of it. But anyway, just a bit of fun anyway. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and take a look at my other videos. Slightly larger stuff than this, and please leave a comment. Bear in mind that this was just a bit of fun. Yeah, I enjoy the comments, I read them all and answer them all, and yeah, I do enjoy it. So, my name's Andy Paramore, this is Andy's Cornish Creations, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.